before you give in to temptation, think about Jesus and what he did for you on the cross. Thank him for what he's done. A lot of times I get caught up in being like, oh, help me, Jesus, but really just thank him for his work on the cross, and think about what he did for you, and turn your eyes on Jesus and focus on him. And I promise you that's going to help you battle this. He's the only one that's going to save you from this. There's so many habits that are so deadly and so hard to break, and this is one of them, which if you're addicted to pornography, masturbation, cry out to Jesus. He's your only hope, because you can switch the addiction to food or money or anything else, even just something positive like working out. Well, that would be better than switching it over to like food or money, but you need Jesus. You need superior pleasure, and you need to replace the habit as well. Simply work out instead of watching pornography. And it's easier said than done, but that's what your body's craving, those feel-good chemicals and in your brain. And if you want to overcome this habit, give your brain what it wants in a different way, like working out. And I promise you'll feel a lot better working out at the end of that. And so just something to think about. Cry out to Jesus. Think about Jesus. Replace the habit. Accountability is key as well. Stay accountable to people. Call people before you give in, not after. I'm guilty of this as well. It's easy to reach out to them after, but you got to call them before you give in. So thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have a great day. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos.